If you know how to cook very simple chicken recipes like chicken in red wine sauce, chicken cacciatore, apricot chicken, then you can change the chicken protein to duck. It is a fantastic substitute and I love the flavour of it. Also these days, duck is readily available. So in my very quick recipe, I've just been caramelising one onion until it's really soft. And then in with some spices, I like to use a Moroccan spice blend which has some cumin in it, some turmeric, it even has some ground ginger. So about a tablespoon of that, and then in with the duck. Now I'm using roast duck legs. They're pre-cooked, so all they need to do is warm up in this sauce, and you'll see the meat is going to be so succulent. So in the packet, you'll also see some of the lovely juices the duck has been cooked in. So I want all of that flavour to go into the pan. So in with the 2 duck legs. And some of the juices, and duck, just like chicken, loves to be paired with fruit. And apricot duck is not complete without the apricots. If you can't find fresh apricots, just use jarred apricots, just like I'm using. Along with a pinch of salt, and then some chicken stock. We'll just cover that up. And this is going to come to the boil. Now, because these duck legs are cooked, it doesn't take an hour. This is going to be done in 15 minutes. It's going to be succulent in the centre. Yum. Smells pretty good. The duck is tender. It's warmed all the way through. And to serve this, I like to serve it with some couscous because it's really fast to put together. We'll pop one of those duck legs on top along with our apricot halves and see how lush this sauce is. It's just perfect. And another spoonful of sauce. And for a little crunch, some flaked almonds. Don't get me wrong, I love apricot chicken, but I really love apricot duck.